In this video, I'll show you how to check creators rewards from Pump.fun Livestream. This video is only for educational purposes only, so make sure you watch what I'm going to show you in this video. And if you love to know how much someone made from his or her live stream here on Pump.fun, I'm going to show you how I can be able to check that. Okay, I'm going to select this one. I'll just click on this. So I'll wait for it to open up. Click on created coins. From there, you're going to be able to see the person's creators reward. So this is his creators reward. So I'm going to go back. I'm going to check another one. I think there's this creator that is really doing well currently. So I'm going to look for it. Okay, runner. This is the runner. I'm going to click on it. I'm going to click on created coins. So you can see his creators reward is 132k. So this is basically how you can be able to check creators rewards from Pump.fun Livestream. If you find this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. I created a test token. Please, if you love to support me, I'm going to be sharing the link of my test token here in the comment section, so you can be able to check it out. And if you want to support me, I really appreciate it. I'll see you in the next video.